The best time to water plants. When it comes to watering plants, there is no defined routine. Each plant has its own moisture requirements. Environment and stage of growth can also determine when a plant needs to be watered. Indoor plants. The best time to water an indoor plant is simply when the top of the planting medium feels drier than it should. Some plants like to be kept moist while others need a heavier watering and a chance to dry out before being watered again. The location of the plant, the humidity of the home and the size of the container all determine watering needs. Dry climate. It's more efficient to water garden plants at night in dry climates because there is less evaporation. Humid climates. In humid conditions, the garden plants should be watered in the early morning to reduce the chances of plant disease. Late evening watering should be avoided.